JotForm makes it easy to download individual form submissions as PDF documents. This process involves 4 simple steps that preserve all your data in a professional format. Step 1. Navigate to the Form Submissions section in your JotForm dashboard. You can access this by clicking the View Responses button on your form. Step 2. Once in the Submissions view, you'll see a table of all form responses. Select the specific submission you want to export as a PDF by clicking on it. Step 3. Look for the Print or PDF option in the submission details. This is typically found in the Toolbar or Action menu. Click on it to access the PDF formatting preferences. Step 4. Generate and download your PDF. The system will process your submission and create a downloadable PDF file that you can save to your computer. The resulting PDF preserves all your form data exactly as it was submitted. Here's what gets included in your exported PDF document. Here's an example of how your original form data translates into a clean, professional PDF format. The digital form builder on the left becomes the formatted PDF document on the right. The final PDF maintains professional formatting and includes all the essential information from your form submission, making it perfect for record keeping, sharing with clients, or archival purposes. To download blank JotForm templates as PDFs, start by accessing your Form Builder interface. This is where you'll find all the tools needed to export your form templates. Once in the Form Builder, navigate to the Settings menu, then select Form Tools. This section contains all the export and utility options for your forms. In Form Tools, you'll find 2 main PDF export options, Print Form and PDF Form. Both options allow you to download blank templates of your forms for offline use. The exported PDF maintains the original form design and structure. Here you can see how the digital form builder translates into a professional PDF template, preserving all field layouts and formatting. Before generating your PDF, you can customize the layout and add your branding. This includes adjusting fonts, colors, logos, and overall formatting to match your organization's style. These PDF templates serve multiple purposes: printing for offline completion, creating backup documentation, supporting hybrid workflows, and maintaining consistent branding across all your forms. By following these steps, you can easily convert any JotForm into a professional PDF template, maintaining the original design while enabling offline use and documentation purposes.